student, here's the first question for you. Two different dice are tossed together. Find the probability that the number on each die is even. You know what is a die? Here you can see this is the shape of a die. So a die is having 6 faces. Around each face there will be dots from 1 to 6. In one face it will be 1 dot, another face it will be 2 dots, third face it will be 3 dots, like that. Altogether there are 6 dots. You have played Ludo, I think so. While playing Ludo, we will use this particular thing, which is what we call die. Now just imagine that two different dice. So there are two dice, okay? They are tossed together. You have to find the probability that the number on each die is even. That the number on each die is even. So let us take the probability like this. Let us find out how many outcomes are there. So when a die is tossed, total number of outcomes. When two dice are tossed, the total number of outcomes is equal to 6 by 6, and that is 36, right? Because when you're tossing a die, just imagine that पहला वाला डाई का ऊपर 1, दूसरे डाई का ऊपर भी 1. नेक्स्ट अगेन पहला वाला डाई का ऊपर अगर 1 दिखाया, दूसरा वाला डाई का ऊपर 2, पहला वाला डाई का ऊपर 1, and the third one it can be 3, like that. It can go ahead, right? It can go ahead like that. Like this, when it is going further, we can see 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6, like this. किधर तक जाएगा? 6 6 तक. So all totally we can say there are 36 outcomes. Clear? There are 36 outcomes. So right now we understood how many outcomes are there. We know what is the probability, how to find the probability. Probability means total number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. So here you got the total number of outcomes is 36. So now what about the favorable outcome? Let us go to the question. The number on each die is even. So what about the favorable? Let's go to question number 1. Favorable outcomes is equal to, what about the favorable outcome? Here the total number of each die should be even. So what should be that one? Just imagine that one. It can be दोनों even होना चाहिए. तो क्या क्या हो सकता है? It can be 2 2. It can be 2 4. Right? क्योंकि 1 से शुरू नहीं होता है. 1 is not an even number. Then 2 6 हो सकता है. Then 2 का तो हो गया क्योंकि 6 तक ही है, आगे नहीं जा पाएगा. मैक्सिमम इज अप टू 6, राइट? सो 3 से शुरू नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि इवन नंबर्स के क्वेश्चन दिया है, इवन नंबर्स का. सो इवन नंबर्स इज नॉट 3. नेक्स्ट वन स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 4. तो 4 2 हो सकता है, 4 4 हो सकता है, 4 6 हो सकता है. 4 का भी हो गया. अभी 6 2 हो सकता है, 6 4 हो सकता है और 6 6 से हो सकता है. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. There are 9 favorable outcomes, right? So as there are 9 favorable outcomes, what can you write? Therefore, probability of, we will write like this, but we will read probability of number on each die is even. Number on each die is even is equal to 9 out of total 36. Cutting short, you will get 1 by 4. That's the probability. I told you already, the probability always, it becomes, the value of probability will be between 0 and 1. If it is a sure event, it can be 1. If it is a 0 event, it can be 0, or it lies between 0 and 1. Okay, now let us go to the second part. What is the second part? Find the probability that the sum of the numbers appearing on two dice is 5. So second part. So let us find favorable outcomes are. What are the favorable outcomes? दोनों का सम 5 होना चाहिए. सो व्हाट क्या क्या हो सकता है, 1 4 हो सकता है, राइट। देन 2, टोटल नंबर कितना होना चाहिए, 5 होना चाहिए। सो 2 अगला तो 3 होगा तभी ना, ये दोनों कुल मिलाकर 5 होगा। 1 + 4 is 5, 2 + 3 is also 5। अगेन नेक्स्ट कम्स फ्रॉम 3, 3 2 हो सकता है बिकॉज 3 + 2 is 5। देन 4 1, देन 5 0 9। क्यों, जीरो करके एक डाई का ऊपर ऐसा एक निशाना नहीं होगा, देयर विल बी नो मार्किंग्स लाइक जीरो। सो द डाई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1 to 6 ओनली। सो 5 0 नहीं लिख सकता है। 5 1 कम से कम अगर आपने लिखने की कोशिश की, 5 + 1 तो 6 हो गया, वो नहीं होगा। सो दीज आर द ओनली प्रोबेबल favorable outcomes, right? So how much are there, 4 are there, so let us write number of favorable outcomes is equal to 4. Therefore probability of, come on, probability of what we want, sum of the numbers is 5 is equal to total 4 out of 36. When you are cutting down, you will get 1/9. That's the answer. Here you can see the next question. In a simultaneous toss of 2 coins, find the probability of getting exactly one head, at most one head. Listen to this word, exactly, at most. I will tell you when I'm explaining, okay? So anyhow, 2 coins you are tossing. So what about coins? You know that when you're tossing a coin, there is a probability that it can be head or it can be a tail. Just imagine that here it is. Here it is you can see here there is a coin. Another one more coin I took it. So this is the tail part. This is the heads. Okay, this is the heads. You can see this is the heads and this is the tails. So when I am tossing these coins, what are the favorable outcomes? What can be the total outcomes? दोनों tails हो सकता है, नहीं तो एक tail दूसरा heads हो सकता है, नहीं तो दोनों में heads हो सकता है, नहीं तो ये head और ये वाला tail हो सकता है, right? So let us write it like that. Total outcomes are, what are the total outcomes? It can be heads and heads, right? It can be heads and tails. It can be tails and heads. It can be tails and tails. I kept in separate set just to understand that ये दोनों पहला वाला टॉसिंग में हो गया था, दोनों में हेड्स मिला था। दूसरा जब दोबारा आपने टॉस किया, दोनों एक साथ टॉस किया, तो पहला वाला हेड हो गया, दूसरा कॉइन टेल निकल आया। Then again when you're tossing 2 coins, you saw the first one is tail, another one is heads. So there is a probability that दोनों heads हो सकता है, एक हेड्स दूसरा टेल हो सकता है, पहला हेड्स और दूसरा हेड्स हो सकता है, पहला टेल और दूसरा भी टेल हो सकता है। सो दीज 4 आर द टोटल आउटकम्स, total outcome which we expect. Okay, so this much, how much outcomes are there? So therefore number of total outcomes is equal to 4. This is the total number of outcomes. So from this total number of outcomes, what you want to find? You want to find the probability of getting exactly one head. So probability of getting exactly one head is equal to, इधर देख करके बताइए, probability of getting exactly one head. Exactly means must there should be one head. Exactly एक ही head होना, एक से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. Exactly one head. इधर कितना heads है? There are 2 heads, so you cannot choose this one. Exactly one head. Here it is. Exactly one head. इसका अंदर भी एक ही head है. Exactly one head. नहीं, there is no head at all. So we can take these two. Right? Exactly there are one head seats. So probability of getting exactly one head is equal to 2 outcomes are there. Favorable outcomes are 2. Out of how many outcomes? 4 outcomes. So there you can say 1/2 is the answer. Did you got it? Then let us go to the second one. Exactly one head is over. Let us go to the second part. At most one head. At most one set. What is the meaning of at most? It is the opposite of at least. So let me tell what is at least. एटलीस्ट का मतलब क्या होता है? कम से कम. एटमोस्ट का मतलब क्या होता है? ज्यादा से ज्यादा. राइट? सो वी कैन से हियर फेवरेबल आउटकम्स आर. क्या क्या हो सकता है? एटमोस्ट वन सेट, मैक्सिमम एक हेड होना चाहिए. एटमोस्ट वन हेड, एक हेड से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. मैक्सिमम, एटलीस्ट वन हेड का मतलब कम से कम एक, कम से कम एक हेड होना चाहिए. और एटमोस्ट वन का हेड का मतलब क्या होता है? उसका अंदर हेड है तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक हेड होना चाहिए, उससे ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. मैक्सिमम वन हेड होना चाहिए. है तो इफ हेड इज देयर देन इट शुड बी मैक्सिमम वन. दैट्स द मीनिंग. सो हियर यू नो दैट देयर आर टू हेड्स, सो यू कैनॉट टेक दिस वन. इधर देखिए, या यू कैन चूज दैट वन, हेड और टेल. ये भी ले सकता है, टेल और हेड, बिकॉज मैक्सिमम वन हेड है. ये बताइए, कैन वी टेक दिस टेल एंड टेल? इन योर माइंड इट मे बी कमिंग लाइक दिस, का अंदर एक भी हेड नहीं है, लेकिन ये क्यों लिया था? आई विल टेल यू व्हाई आई टुक दिस वन. बिकॉज एट मोस्ट वन हेड का मतलब मैक्सिमम एक हेड होना चाहिए. अगर है तो, इधर तो है ही नहीं, सो ले सकता है. मैंने क्या कहा था? इफ देर इज ए हेड देन इट शुड बी मैक्सिमम वन. दैट मीन्स इट कैन बी और इट कैनॉट बी. सो हियर there is no head, so you can choose this one also. In this condition this also comes. So we can say there are three outcomes. So what we can say? Probability of getting at most one head is equal to 1 2 3 outcomes out of 4. That's the answer. It's the simplest form. So there goes the answer. Here goes the next question, a word problem. At least it may be a 3-mark question. Reading the question very carefully is a very important thing. You know that here, just let's read the question. From a pack of 52 playing cards, we have already mentioned about playing cards. In a deck of cards, there are 52 playing cards. So the total outcome will be 52. But here, listen, Jack, Queens, and Kings of red color are removed. Okay, so from this 52, Jacks are removed, Queens are removed, Kings are removed of red color. So how many red colored cards are there? There are 26 red color cards, 13 of diamonds and 13 of hearts, right? So from this one, there are red color hearts are there, रेड कलर डायमंड्स आर देयर. हार्ट्स का अंदर भी एक जैक है, एक क्यून है, एक किंग है. डायमंड का अंदर भी एक जैक है, एक क्यून है, एक किंग है. यानी कि कुल मिला के देर आर 6 फेस कार्ड्स. रेड 6 फेस कार्ड्स आर देयर. दे आर रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम दिस कार्ड्स. सो let us write that point from here. Total number of cards is equal to 52. It is 52, we know it. So number of cards removed is equal to how much? 1 2 3 means jacks, queens and kings of red color. So all together there are 6, because 3 from diamond and 3 from hearts, so 6 are removed. Therefore remaining number of cards is equal to 52 minus 6, and that is 46 cards, right? 46 cards are the remaining cards. So from these 46 cards we are going to do this problem. So remember, फिलहाल जो है 52 कार्ड्स नहीं है वो डेक ऑफ कार्ड्स का अंदर, 46 कार्ड्स है, क्योंकि 52 था उसका अंदर से 6 निकाला गया, बाकी 46 कार्ड्स ही है हमारा पास. Now find the from the remaining cards, a card is drawn at random. So from that 46 card, one card is drawn at random, and we have to find the probability of getting a black king. A black king. So let us go to the first question. Question number 1. So number of black kings. Number of black kings is equal to, how many black kings are there? There are 2 black kings. One black king is in spade and one black king is in clubs. दोनों के अंदर एक एक किंग्स हैं. So there are 2 black kings. Therefore probability of a black king इज इक्वल टू 2 आउट ऑफ हाउ मेनी कार्ड्स 46 का। इधर तो 56 नहीं है, 52 नहीं है, 46 है। कट करेगा तो कितना हो जाएगा? मेकिंग इट शॉर्ट, यू विल गेट 1/23। क्लियर? So coming to the second question, let's go to the second question. A card of red color. Second question. Okay, now tell me, how many red color cards are there? Total number of red cards is equal to how many red cards are there? 26 cards are there, right? 13 diamonds and 13 hearts. कुल मिला के 26 cards are there. But in our case, it is written that, see, red color का jack, queen और kings उसका अंदर से निकाला गया है. From this one, jack is not there, queen is not there, and king is not there of red in colors. So, number of red cards removed is equal to how many red cards are removed? 6 red cards are removed, isn't it? Total 6 cards are removed. 6 cards are removed from this. 6 cards are not there. Means one jack is not there, one queen is not there, one king is not there in diamonds and in hearts. So we can say 6 cards are removed. Therefore, actual number of red cards is equal to 26 minus 6, that is 20. You can write your own steps, whatever you may. You can write your own. I simply wrote like this. You can write remaining number of cards like that. Whatever you can write it. But it should give a sense. That's all. So here we wrote this much. Now, therefore, we are very near to the answer. So probability of a card of red color. Probability of a card of red color is equal to, there are 20 cards out of how many cards? 46 cards. If you are cutting them short, you will get 10/23. So that's the probability. Now this question is so important. Let us go to this question. A card is drawn at random from a well-shuffled deck of playing cards. You know, there are altogether 52 playing cards, right? From that one, a card is drawn. Find the probability that the card drawn is a card of spade or an ace. Another one, a black king. Third one, neither a king nor a jack. Fourth one, either a king or a queen. So there are 4 questions inside this one. So let us start. Here it's given that it's total a well shuffled deck of playing cards. So let us write, therefore, total number of cards is equal to 52. You have to remember that one. It's not given. Any number is not given inside this. So remember, there is nothing given inside. No numericals are given. You have to write it by yourself. So you have to study that by heart. Clear? So 52 cards are there. And from this 52 cards, we are going to do this one. Let us go to the total number of outcomes. The total outcomes is 52. Forget not. Out of this one, let us go to the first one. A card of spade or an ace card. So how many spade cards are there? How many ace cards are there? Let us find. Number of spade cards. How many spade cards are there? There are 13 spade cards, right? In each section, you know, there are 13 spades, there are 13 clubs, there are 13 diamonds, and there are 13 hearts. So there are 13 spade cards. एंड आप ये 52 कार्ड्स का अंदर जो भी आप कार्ड निकाल रहे हो स्पेड होना चाहिए, नहीं तो एक एस होना चाहिए. तो पहले ये भी बताइए कितना एस है. नंबर ऑफ एस कार्ड्स इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी एस कार्ड्स आर देयर? 4 एस कार्ड्स आर देयर. बिकॉज स्पेड का अंदर भी एक एस कार्ड है, डायमंड्स का अंदर भी एक एस कार्ड है, राइट, और हार्ट्स का अंदर भी एक एस कार्ड है, और क्लब्स का अंदर भी एक एस. कुल मिला के 4 एस कार्ड है. सो ऑल टुगेदर in this selection how many ace cards are there? Listen very carefully this one. The number of spade card is 13. so ये 13 का अंदर एक कार्ड जो है वो एस है ना. 13 कार्ड्स का अंदर कितना फेस कार्ड्स है? There are 3 फेस कार्ड, एक किंग, एक जैक और एक क्वीन. फिर एक एस कार्ड भी है उसका अंदर है, फिर बाकी जो 9 जो होता है वो 9 कार्ड्स आर नंबर कार्ड्स। सो इसका अंदर ये 13 का अंदर एक एस कार्ड भी है। सो बाकी कितना एट्स कार्ड होगा? बाकी 3 8 कार्ड्स है। कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट वन? सच में कुल मिला के 4 एट्स कार्ड्स है, लेकिन इसका अंदर का एक एस कार्ड जो है इसका अंदर आ चुका है। किसका अंदर? 13 का अंदर हमने गिन लिया है। सो वो इसका से निकालते हुए बाकी जो बचा हुआ एट्स कार्ड जो होता है वो 3 ही होता है। देयर विल बी ओनली 3 कार्ड्स ऑफ एट्स outside, because already inside this spade cards we have counted one ace card. Okay, so therefore total number of favorable outcomes is equal to 13 plus 3, and that is equal to 16. So that is the favorable outcomes for you out of 16. So let us write, therefore probability of a card of spade or an ace is equal to how much it is? 16 out of how many cards? 52 cards. When you're cutting them short together, by the table of 4 you can cut. 4 4s are 16 here, 4 1s are 4, baki 1 है 12, 4 3s are 12, 4 by 13, right? So further you cannot make it short. So there goes the first answer. Now let us go to the second part, a black king. Okay, here it is, a black king. So question number 2, what about a black king? So number of, it's so easy, number of black kings is equal to how many black kings are there? There are 2 black kings. एक तो spade का अंदर है, एक तो clubs का अंदर है. Therefore straight we can write probability of a black king, it's so easy, is equal to 2 out of 52. Making it into the simplest form, 1 divided by 26. Cutting short. Every time you have to write in the simplest form. That's it. Third one, neither a king nor a jack. King भी नहीं होना चाहिए, jack भी नहीं होना चाहिए. अच्छा, वो king भी नहीं होना चाहिए, jack भी नहीं होना चाहिए. तो पहले ही बताइए उसका तो कितना किंग्स है. खास करके ऐसा नहीं लिखा है कि ब्लैक किंग्स है, रेड किंग्स है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है. It's just written as it should not be a king, it should not be a jack. So third one, okay, 1 2 3, third one, number of kings and jack cards. Number of kings and jack cards, कितना kings है कुल मिला के? There are 4 kings because diamond का अंदर, hearts का अंदर, clubs का अंदर, spade का अंदर एक एक king है. वैसे jack भी है. So there are 4 jacks. All together 8 cards are there. जो kings और जो jack होता है कुल मिला के कितना cards होता है? 8 cards होता है. So question देखिए, it should not be a king, it should not be a jack. King भी नहीं होना चाहिए, jack भी नहीं. So उतना उसका अंदर से निकाल दीजिए. So number of neither king nor a jack is equal to, out of 52, 8 of them you have to take it off. So बाकी कुल मिला के कितना होगा? इसका अंदर से वो निकालेगा तो मीन्स 52 का अंदर से 8 कार्ड्स को निकालना है. 8 कार्ड्स को निकालते हुए हाउ मच यू विल गेट? 52 minus 8, it's 44. There are 44 cards. So now you can write, therefore probability of neither a king nor a jack is equal to, how much cards are there? 44 cards out of 52. Making them short, cutting by 2, 22 divided by, okay, 22 नहीं, 4 से कट कर सकता है. 11 divided by, इधर 4 से कट करते हुए 4 1s are 4, इधर 12, 4 3s are 12, 11 by 13. Now coming to the third question, see here, a third part is solved. Okay, fourth one, either a king or a queen. एक किंग होना चाहिए, नहीं है तो एक क्यों होना, नाइदर नहीं आइदर है, यानी कि एक किंग होना चाहिए, नहीं है तो. सो हाउ मेनी किंग्स आर देयर एंड हाउ मेनी क्वींस आर देयर? लेट अस राइट इट. फोर्थ वन, number of king and क्यून कार्ड्स, कितना किंग्स है? 4 किंग्स है, 4 क्यून्स भी है, टोटल 8 कार्ड्स आर देयर. सो इट शुड बी आइदर ए किंग और ए क्यून. एक किंग होना चाहिए, नहीं है तो एक क्यून होना चाहिए. सो व्हाट कैन वी राइट फ्रॉम दिस वन? आइदर ए किंग और ए क्यून मीन्स total 8 cards are there. So we will write, therefore probability of either a king or a queen is equal to, total there are 8 outcomes out of 52 outcomes. So cutting by 4, 4 twos are 8, then here 13 times 2 by 13. So this is how we have to find. So the main important thing which you have to understand means you have to read the question very perfectly. From the question you have to understand what is given and what is to be found. Is it either or is it neither? Or is it a blacking? Or is it something which is given in the first statement, so whether some cards are removed from this one? If it is removed, then automatically it will not be 52, it will be something else. So you have to read the question again and again and make you yourself understand what the question is. And from that one, you have to understand what is the total number of outcomes and what is the favorable things. Favorable things depends upon the question what is given. So उसके हिसाब से आपको उसका probability बनाना है. Clear? That's all about this chapter. Thank you so much.